is going to cut the cam that's in the bottom of the knob inside, and it's also going to cut the screwdriver blade. So there's going to be an end mill that's going to cut the cam, but you never sink an end mill into material, even if it's bottom cutting, unless you absolutely have to. It's always better to use a drill first. Make a pilot hole as large as the end mill. If an end mill has to go straight into material, if it has to dive in, it will walk all over the place and make a really messy hole. Unlike a drill, which will make a nice clean hole. This is a 1/8 inch cutter. Just did the cam slot. Now it's going to cut the top of the blade. It's done. You can see that the knob has a screwdriver blade cut into the end of the stem, and down inside there are some holes and a cam cut.